Good morning, class second students. We are going to start lesson number 4 of your computer book, which is Let's Type and Click. So, can you tell me which device is known as typing device? Yes, keyboard is known as typing device. So, here we will read about the same topic today. We will read today about keyboard. So, let us begin. Here, like other chapters, two characters are given. One is Robo and one is Mimo. So Robo is asking to Mimo that Mimo, can you remember about the typing and clicking device? So Mimo answers, yes Robo, keyboard is the typing device and the mouse is the pointing device. So the typing device here, we know that the typing device is known as keyboard and the pointing device is known as mouse. So mouse is the pointing device and keyboard is the typing device. Let's see next. Next here is keyboard. We have learned about some keys of the keyboard in previous classes. Mark the keys in the given keyboard which you have learned using different colored crayons. So here in this keyboard you have to mark the different kind of keys. Like here alphabet keys, you have to mark all the alphabet keys with the similar color of crayon, and all the numeral keys with the same color of crayon, and all the function keys with the same, and so okay. So let us begin the different to learn about different kind of keys. Okay, and this is your homework. So the first key given here is shift key. So let us see what is shift key and how we can use it. The shift key is a modified key on a keyboard. It is used to type capital letters and other alternate upper characters which are visible on the number keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is on the left of the alphabet key and other is on the right side of the alphabet key. So what is shift key? Shift key is the modified key on the keyboard. It is the modified key on the keyboard. The use as we use um, caps lock for the uppercase, similarly for capital letters, similarly we can use shift also for capital letters, for typing capital letters. Here on the keyboard we can see two shift keys, one on the right of the alphabets and one on the left of the alphabets. Next, here are some characters and their names. So brackets in computer are known as parentheses. Here are brackets and these brackets in computer are known as parentheses. The exclamation point, we all know that this is the exclamation mark, and in computer also this is all known as exclamation point. Next is question mark. We all know about question mark. We write it after writing a question. Colon. The double dot here is colon. Next, arrow keys. Arrow keys are located at the bottom of the keyboard on the left side of the numeric keypad, usually arranged in an inverted T layout. So inverted T means the that here the T is upside down, means that T is upside down. In Hindi we can say it as ulta T. So in computer we can see the arrow keys in this inverted T form. Okay, they are used for moving up, down, left, right side of the document. They are also used for playing games. So these are also called cursor control keys. By the help of these four keys, we can also control the cursor. Next is escape key. The escape key, which is labeled as ESC on most of the keyboard, is, so let's see it again. Escape key. The escape key, which is labeled as ESC on most of the keyboards, is basically used to exit or escape from programs and tasks. However, it can sometimes get you out of trouble by making the computer go back or escape to the previous screen. So, this key is used to go back from the current screen which we are using to the previous screen. Next is function keys. Function keys are keyboard have a row of function keys at the top. So there are these all are function keys. There are 12 function keys. These keys are marked from F1 to F12. They give you shortcut to different commands. So these function keys are used for giving different commands. Next is caps lock keys. Caps lock key is a toggle key. Pressing it once turns it on. Pressing it again turns it off. Some computer keyboards have a light or indicator to shows when the caps lock is on and when it is off. When caps lock is on, every letter that is typed will be capital letter. Example, here every word of hello world is written in capital letter because the caps lock key is on, and when caps lock is off, every letter is typed will be a small letter. Like here in example, every letter typed is small. So toggle key here means the key which on one press is on and on another press turns itself off. So these kind of keys are called toggle key. Here again we can see robo appears, and here it is said by him that click on start button and then all programs. Now click on accessories and then on notepad. A window will open. Type your name in capital and small letter. Okay, this we can do in our practical session. Right now, those who are having computer or a system at home, they can definitely try it. Next is mouse. Now we have learned about keyboard and its keys. We will jump on mouse and learn something about it. So mouse is a clicking device or a pointing device. We all know that a mouse is a pointing device. It is known as mouse because it looks like a mouse with a long tail. So because of its shape and structure, it is known as mouse. It works with the help of a pointer which moves on the monitor. There are 4 mouse actions. Let's read about them. So there are 4 mouse actions for which the mouse is used. We will now read about them. First is single click. Pressing the left mouse button once is called single click. It is used to select an item on the screen execute command, open directory, or URL. So from one click, one single right left click, we can we can select an item on the screen, execute command, and open any directory or URL. Second is right click. Single click is always left click. Okay, remember this. And here comes next, right click. So right click on the mouse will show selection list of menu options. We have to choose the menu options by clicking the left mouse button. So by clicking the right mouse button, the list will appear, and from that list we will choose by clicking the left mouse button. Okay, next is double click. A double click is the act of pressing left mouse button twice quickly without moving the mouse. It is used to open a program, documents, and folders. So to open the icons, we used to double click. This is an example, okay, where double click is used. Double click is clicking the left mouse button uh, quickly two times. Okay, so this is called double click. Last one is dragging and dropping. This activity is used to move an object around the screen. Select an object, keep the left mouse button pressed, and move the mouse. The mouse is called This is called dragging. When we release the left button after dragging, it is called dropping. Dragging means to click any object on the screen and pull it without leaving the clicked button. So this thing is called dragging, and releasing the button to the next place is called dropping. Okay, so there is the difference, and this is done by clicking the left mouse button. Okay, so if we want to change the place of the icons, so we can change their place by, here in the first picture we can see the picture. In this picture, this folder is here, and by dragging it from here, we have shifted it here. So this is done only by dragging and dropping the icon. So this is the end of your chapter. Here some backup time is given. Let's see that also. Caps lock key is used to enter alphabets in capital and small letters. This I have told you earlier also, that caps lock key is a toggle key, which on one click we write the alphabets in capital letter, and on the another click we can write the alphabets in small letter. Second, a mouse works with the help of pointer that moves on the monitor. The small arrow on the screen which we can see is the pointer. We can move a folder or file by dragging and dropping, as you have seen in the above example. Come to the next page, page number 36. Here Babbage's Factopedia is given. So who is Babbage? Babbage is the name of Charles Babbage, who is known as the father of computer. So here he's saying that, do you know we can use the shift keys to type capital letters also? Let's learn how. So let us see how we can use shift key on the place of caps lock key to write the capital letter. Open notepad and then follow the given steps. So for this you have to follow the given steps on the notepad. These steps you can follow practically also if you have a system available with you all. So the first step is press